Watch me accelerate the snowfall. I begin by doing pumping motions, pushing from above downwards. Notice that causes the wind to pick up and the wind chime to start moving more. Here I begin to buzz to accelerate the environment. The reason why I use buzzing is because of the effect sound has on the spin of the electrons around the atoms. You want to pay attention to the movement, correlating my movement with the movement of the wind and obviously the snow. I'm going to stop here now. I'm going to let it return and do its own thing. Oh yeah, it's calibrating, it's buffering. Alright. Yep, there we go. Back to what it was. Back to what it was. You guys notice that?